Hi everyone, welcome to Concept Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss questions related to agriculture and rural development. These questions are important for NABARD, FCA and other agriculture related exams. So let us start. Which state has signed MOU with Wadhwani Institute for Artificial Intelligence for the benefit of cotton farmers? Let us see the options: Telangana, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Gujarat. I'll give 2 seconds to answer. And the state is Telangana state has signed MOU with Wadhwani Institute. Next question. In which year National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India Limited was established? And the options are 15th August 1947, 26th January 1950, 15th August 1951 and 2nd October 1958. I'll give you 2 seconds to answer. And the answer is 2nd October 1958. And the current chairman is Dr. Bijender Singh. Next. India's first Kisan Rail service to transport perishable goods from Maharashtra to which state? And the options are Karnataka, Assam, Rajasthan and Bihar. India's first Kisan Rail service from Maharashtra to Bihar. Devlali in Maharashtra to Dhanapur in Bihar is a place. The first Kisan Rail service. Next. Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana was launched in which year to promote organic farming? And the options are 2014, 2015, 2019 and 2020. And the answer is 2015 to provide assistance to farmers up to 50,000 per hectare. And the target of organic farming is 25 lakh hectare by 2025. This is the target for organic farming. Next. Golden rice variety has been developed to help to reduce deficiency of. Options are vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A and vitamin B. And the answer is vitamin A. And the scientist who developed golden rice variety is Ingo Potricus and Peter Bayer are the German scientists who developed the golden rice variety. Next. Rashtriya Gurukul Mission for Conservation and Development of Indigenous Breeds in a focused and scientific manner was launched in which year? And the options are 2013, 2014, 2018 and 2019. Rashtriya Gokul Mission. And the answer is 2014. Next. Which one of the following is centrally sponsored scheme or schemes? And the options are Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture, National Food Security Mission, Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana, Parampagat Krishi Vikas Yojana, and all of the above. Centrally sponsored scheme. And the answer is all of the above. All the above are the centrally sponsored schemes. Next. Recently, Indian Council of Agriculture Research celebrated its 93rd Foundation Day on 10th June, 14th June, 12th July and 16th July. And the answer is 16th July. It was established on 16th July 1929. Next. Digital platform Dash was launched on 93rd ICAR Foundation Day to facilitate farmers to get right information at right time in their desired language. And the options are Krishi Kisan, Kisan Sarathi, Kisan Bandhu and Kisan Samachar. And the answer is Kisan Sarathi. And it was launched by Agriculture Minister and IT Minister. So this could be an important question for NABARD. Next. According to the second advance estimates of 2020 to 2021, horticulture production is dash million tons. And the options are 299.14, 316.77, 329.86, and 355.49. And the answer is 329.86 million tons. And the area it covered is 27.23 million hectares of area for horticulture production. Next. Under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme, an amount of dash crore has been transferred directly to bank accounts of more than 11 crore farmers. So what was the amount? 1.12 lakh crore, 1.36 lakh crore, 1.79 lakh crore, and 2.01 lakh crore under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme. Just go through the scheme also. And the answer is 1.35 lakh crore. Next. What is the target set by the Union government for agriculture credit for the financial year 2021 to 2022 in Union budget? And the options are 10.55 lakh crore, 15.00 lakh crore, 16.50 lakh crore, 16.87 lakh crore. And the answer is 16.50 lakh crore is the target set by the Union government for agriculture credit. Next. Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare has recently inaugurated the new center of National Horticulture Board at Dash. Okay, and that is options are Gwalior, Pune, Hyderabad, and Jaipur. And the answer is Gwalior, the new center of National Horticulture Board. Next. India and Dash has signed an MOU for cooperation in the field of agriculture and allied sectors. And the options are Bhutan, Iran, Fiji, Israel. And the answer is Fiji. Next. Three centers of excellence established in which state under Indo-Israel agriculture project to increase farmers' income? And the options are Punjab, Gujarat, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. So in which state three centers of excellence was established? And that state is Karnataka. Next. In which year Food and Agriculture Organization was established? And the options are 1930, 1935, 1940, and 1945. And the answer is 1945. It was established on 16th October 1945. It has completed 75 years. Okay. So, and the headquarters of FAO is Rome, Italy. So, this could be also an important. Next. Which year was declared as the International Year of Pulses? And the options are 2000, 2009, 2013, 2016. And the answer is 2016 was declared as the International Year of Pulses. So write down in the comment section which year was declared as the International Year of Millets. Who is the current Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare? Recently there was a cabinet expansion. So the new ministers will see Narendra Singh Tomar, Shobha Karanlaje, and Rajbir Singh Abhilaksh. And the answer is Shobha Karanlaje. Next. According to the third advance estimates of 2020 to 2021, food grains production of dash million tons. What was the food grain production? And the options are 299.14, 305.44, 316.11, 345.27. And the answer is 305.44 million tons of food grain production in according to third advance estimates. Next. Recently, Union Minister for Fisheries Animal Husbandry and Dairy has launched the online course model mobile app for fish farming is what was the course? Matsya Hetu, Matsya Setu, Matsya Kisan, Matsya Bandhu. And the answer is Matsya Setu was the online course for fish farming. Next, a national level agri-tech hackathon, Kritagya, organized by National Agriculture Higher Education Project of ICAR to promote innovation in farm mechanization. What does TA stands for in Kritagya? TA stands Tara, Technic, Taja, and Tashi. What does TS stands with India? And the answer is Technique. Technique means technology, and Krishi means agriculture, Gyan knowledge. Next, Soil Health Card Scheme was launched by Prime Minister on 19th February 2015 in which state? And the options are Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Bihar, and Rajasthan. So, Soil Health Card Scheme was launched in which state? It was launched in Rajasthan, and the place is Suratgarh. Next, minimum support price for paddy has increased to dash per quintal in 2020 to 2021 from 1310 rupees per quintal in 2013 to 2014, making an increase of 43%. And the options are 1789, 1868 rupees, 1890 rupees, 1912 rupees. And the answer is 1868 rupees from 1310 rupees per quintal. Next, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare has launched a central sector scheme, Mission Organic Value Chain Development, for which region? And the options are Northeastern region, Southeastern region, Northwestern region, Southwestern region. And the answer is Northeastern region. Next, Agriculture Infrastructure Fund AIF was launched in which year to support in building community farming assets and post-harvest agriculture infrastructure through interest subvention and financial support. So, Agriculture Infrastructure Fund was launched in which year? And the options are 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. And the answer is 2020, and it was launched on 9 August 2020. So, thank you. If you like our videos, please subscribe to Concepts Hub. All the best.